Hi, welcome to an amazing video brought to you by JMD TV. Today I am going to explain reincarnation for those who aren't familiar with the concept. I hope this video brings peace to many. Reincarnation is a philosophical and religious concept that refers to the idea of the soul or consciousness living on after the physical body dies. It is based on the belief that life is a continual cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, with the soul transmigrating into another physical vessel or form. This concept is found in various religious beliefs and traditions worldwide, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. According to these religions, the soul is considered eternal and indestructible, and it passes from one life to another through the process of rebirth. The exact process of reincarnation differs among these religions, but they generally share the belief that one's karma, or actions and intentions in life, determines the conditions and circumstances of the next life. For instance, in Hinduism, the soul or Atman goes through a cycle of reincarnation, known as samsara, until it achieves moksha, or spiritual liberation, by breaking free from the cycle of birth and death. One's karma determines the type of body and life one is reborn into and the opportunities one has to attain moksha. Similarly, in Buddhism, reincarnation is based on the principle of dependent origination, which states that all phenomena arise and cease due to the interdependent relationships between them. The karmic energy and consciousness created by one's actions and thoughts dictate one's rebirth and the conditions of that rebirth. In Jainism, reincarnation is seen as a cycle of continuous suffering and is referred to as samsara. The goal is to attain liberation, or nirvana, by breaking free from this cycle of rebirth through spiritual discipline and extinguishing all karmic bonds. In Sikhism, reincarnation is viewed as an opportunity to merge with the divine, and the goal is to achieve this through meditation and living a righteous life. Reincarnation may also involve the transmigration of souls across different forms or realms of existence, such as humans, animals, or spirits. This belief in the continuity of the soul or consciousness provides comfort to those who may feel that their loved ones have not truly left them, as they may have been reborn into a new physical form. Reincarnation is a complex and multifaceted concept that varies among different cultures and religions. It offers a way to explain the continuity of the soul or consciousness and provides hope for spiritual growth and liberation. The idea of reincarnation is not scientifically proven, but there are many accounts of people who have claimed to have had past life memories. These stories are often considered anecdotal evidence. One example of such a story is that of James Leininger, who was a young boy who claimed to remember being a World War II fighter pilot. His parents were able to verify many of his memories and details of the pilot's life, including the name of the pilot's aircraft carrier, and the names of fellow pilots. Another example is that of Shanti Devi, an Indian girl, who in the 1930s claimed to remember her past life as a woman named Lugdi Devi, who lived in a village over 100 kilometers away. She was able to provide accurate details about Lugdi's life, family, and village, which were later confirmed. While these stories are not scientific evidence, they are interesting to consider and may suggest that reincarnation is a possibility. There are also many alternative explanations for past life memories, such as when the body stops receiving oxygen and other nutrients after death, the brain cells start to die within a few minutes. Some parts of the brain remain active and can continue to function up to 5 minutes after clinical death. This phenomenon is known as delayed cerebral ischemia, which means that there is still some residual oxygen and glucose in the brain tissue, which allows the cells to continue functioning for a short period. During this time, the neurons in the brain may continue firing and processing information, which can cause hallucinations, dreamlike states, and other unusual experiences. While some people believe one way, others believe another way, everyone has their own way. I hope this video has been hopeful and helped you find peace.